everyone, and welcome to this New Year's special, which I am going to stop motion build the set 76260 Black Widow and Captain America motorcycles. Yes, it's so special that I even got it a special background, which you might see in a live that we're going to do once we reach 50 subscribers. So, if you don't mind, go watch other videos and see if you enjoy them, and if you do, please consider subscribing, because I don't want you to subscribe and not enjoy my content. So go check it out. Go check out my other videos, which my previous one was the snow ice penguin world. So yeah, I hope you go check out my channel and like my videos and subscribe. But besides that, I'm going to stop motion build this set that contains 130 pieces, 2 minifigures, and yeah, it's the Lego Marvel Infinity Saga set, I guess. It's the motorcycles. I believe this is the from Age of Ultron. If not, it's the one after it. I don't remember. I've seen this. But anyways, as you can see here, there's Captain America, or played as Chris Evans, but here in Lego, and then Black Widow, which I don't remember her name. But here you can see his blue motorcycle, which is what I want. And then her black motorcycle, which is what my brother wants. But not the girl character, just the motorcycle. So yeah, we will be able to build it and see what it contains. Which I believe it's going to bring like 2 manuals so that we can build. But I'm going to build this just together in a stop motion. And then let's see just what happens. So I'll show you the rest of the box. You can see here in the back on the bottom has the the barcode and the Lego app. And then you see the front with the snowy background. And of course the 1-to-1 Black Widow. And the side here is just the Lego Marvel. So yeah, I guess I'll just unbox it here. Let's see. I think I don't want to break it. I don't want to use the special thumb tab. I might grab... Wait, I might go grab a knife. Do not try this at home. And yes, I am back with a knife that I won't show, because I am old enough to open boxes on my own with a knife. So if you're a kid, or just a youngling, use the thumb tab. So, and if you're just a regular person, a teen or an adult, then open it however you like. There. As you can see here, I finally opened it. And I'll be able to now unbox everything. Whoa. See, there's nothing in the box. I'll leave that aside here. And then, yes, I told you, 2 manuals. One for Black Widow and one for Captain America. So, yes, you can... This is a great set for 2 people. I don't know, siblings. Preferably a sister and a brother. Or brother and brother, or sister and sister. It doesn't really matter, whoever they like. And there's 1 and 2 bags, which both contain a mini bag inside. I believe both. If not, it's just Captain America, which seems to have more pieces for some reason. But besides that, you can see I'll be using the manuals, and I will begin building with bag number 1, Captain America. Yes. motorcycle, which is the Captain America. Yes, this video might be low quality. I don't know. I think it's the app that's the problem, because my phone camera really isn't that bad of that quality. But besides that, I'm just gonna do these final pieces by video, because it is quite difficult for me to do this final step, which is to just grab this piece and then add the 2x1 flat tile. I mean the gold type style that they usually do. So all you have to do is just build 2 of those, and as you can see here, 2, and then just grab your motorcycle and add them. That's just like that. So if you watch my videos to build the sets, I mean, it's cool that you're using my video, but I would also kind of recommend the instruction booklet, because some of my instructions aren't really, some of my steps really aren't that clear. But anyways, yep, here it is, and I believe these are all the extra pieces and extra ammo. So you can see here, right there, it's quite a lot. But yeah, I'm finally finished with the Captain America motorcycle. All I have to do now is just add it, I guess. Wait a minute. Let's see here if there's something to place the... Oh, okay. Now, I just realized that's why the clip is here for. Okay, so I can, of course, grab Captain America's shield and place it right there. Just like so. It's quite loose. No, it's like that. And then, of course, you can add Captain America sitting down in his position. I mean, right now I'm just going to put him like he's chilling, you know. He's going to be waiting for Black Widow. So, yeah. I don't know. The background is quite unstable also, so that's why the Legos sometimes will seem like they're moving. But there. He's just chilling. And I guess we're on to bag 2. And instruction booklet. Excuse me. Booklet 2. Yeah, let's go. Go. It's not complete all the way. Like, I'm still on like step 17 on here. Like, I'm just gonna do this, but it's kind of difficult for me to stop motion build it, because on the other one it was kind of wobbly, and the base is just so, I thought it would be a good like background, you know. It's like super not stable. I have to really just move it in between shots. So yeah. It's pretty simple. You can just grab your bike, your motorcycle, grab this 1x1 cheese wedge, and then just add it on the bottom. I hate that there's black pieces, because, I mean, it's not that I hate it. I don't hate the black pieces. It's just that with my lighting, I'm trying to get better lighting. You can barely see them, so there. I have to like keep moving the motorcycle to get good angles of what I'm doing. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. It's pretty nice with these. I believe they're the electric rods, but as you can see here, it can move. I guess you can just imagine that they're like blasters or something. So it can go up and down. And the light, of course, it's pretty nice. Looks like a motorcycle, of course. That's what it's supposed to be. And you can see the shooters. And here's the minifigure, Black Widow. She has double face, I believe. Yeah, she has the double face. So does the Captain America, as I showed. She has her blaster. It's the new ones. I believe they're new. If not, they've just been reused. But yeah, you can see she can get in it. And, ooh, I don't think she has a holder for her blaster. Yeah, she's just riding her motorcycle, meanwhile, like shooting, like an attack position. She has a very serious face, you know? Meanwhile, Captain America has like a happy face, you know? He just has his happy, and then he has his like helmet face. But she's just super serious. Just look at that. Serious, and then she's angry here, so I don't know. If you wanted a happy Black Widow, then she's not happy. But yeah, as you can see here, there's both of them. They're both in their attack position. They're finally finished being built in this annoying background. I'll get rid of that. As you can see here. Oh, she fell off. You can see there's the final products. So, oh yeah, I need to show you the extra pieces. Here they are. They're there. I told you there's like barely any compared to the Captain America ones, but those are extra pieces to the collection. So yes, this was Lego set 76260. The Black Widow and Captain America motorcycles. I've always been wanting this, and yeah, I finally got it for the New Year special. I don't know, I just wanted to name it the New Year special because, I don't know, it feels special. So, yeah, 2 manuals. This is a great set for 2 siblings, if you have any, or if you know of any. Yeah, it's a pretty decent set, and I guess that's all I have to say. Besides that, now I finally have a Captain America hairpiece and the shield. Awesome printing, by the way. Like, super awesome printing. I believe this is new printing. I don't know. Here, I have another Captain America, but look at that. Super nice. Wait, let me see. I have the Captain America robot mech, which I haven't done a review, and I don't think I will, or stop motion, but let's see here. Yeah. Okay, so it seems different. Yeah, they're pretty much different, because, yeah, I guess they're from different movies, and, yeah, I knew it. They're different. I guess it's because he is riding the motorcycle, so I believe he has a backstrap in that movie. So, yeah. That's the mech that I have to compare. And, yes, one more shout out. I don't know if you know, but I'm selling Lego on eBay and other things, not just Lego. But I have one right here, ready to ship, ready to package. It's the Lego Hoth set. Yeah, it's ready. All I need is a shipping label, but I will get that when someone buys it. So, yeah, you can go check it out. I'll leave the link down below to go check out my account.